everybody. I'm laughing. Don't worry, be happy. What happened in Paris on Friday reminds me of what I tell you all the time. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. I will say this, besides the tragedy that it is, my takeaway is how quickly a national government can close the border. And it's still my belief that liberty for safety is a bad trade. Anyway, we've got a pop in the gold here today. Still think there's one more failure left. Let's take a look at the charts. So the gold, if we start taking out 1085, I'm still looking for one more washout in the gold. Still think euro is going to new lows and we're going to have a failing rally in the S&Ps. I'm still looking for new lows in the euro. Still looking for another push above these highs in the yen. Euro pound, again, we might have it working. Remember last week I talked about in the euro pound, I was looking for this week for us to take out last week's lows, which we did. I'm not saying that we can't test 70 or 69.80, but by the end of the week, I'm expecting positive action. I'm going to go with the 17th, 18th for a possible top in the dollar, bottom in the euro midweek. So we have the potential setup developing here in euro pound. We took out last week's low by about 20 pips. I expect there could be one more shot down if we take out the 70.30 and trade back down. Here's drive one, here's drive two. Maybe we get a 3 if the dollar recovers like I think it could. So here's a little third drive look. And I actually have confluence down here, a shade under the 70 level. So those are my thoughts coming into today. Who's in the house? Goldie's in the house, Borges in the house, Jax. Give me a Y, guys, if you're with me on my view of the euro pound. That last week I said I'm anticipating an outside week up, a bullish engulfing candle, and that it could be setting up in euro pound even if we have one more washout, say another 70 pips lower, if the dollar gets going and the S&Ps recover. Give me a Y if you understand it. You don't have to agree with it. I just want to make sure you understand my thinking on euro pound, which I've been pretty much spot on for the decline, and now looking for a significant turn and possibly a right shoulder developing here on the weekly chart. Give me a Y if you get it. So I know I'm not talking to myself. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder developing. Potential outside week. I said last week this was an inside week. So the most bullish thing we could do is early in the week take out last week's lows, which we've done by about 20 pips. We could do it by another 20 and then take out last week's highs and have an outside week to the upside, which would set the stage for a pretty big rally. Hello, Forex Pipper. Your new handle, nice to meet you. Hi, Borgia, Goldie. So you guys are with me. So this is what I was forecasting last week. I'd give it another couple days because I still think that we could wash one more time in the euro. I still think the dollar may push above par. Here's a Dixie. Still think we're going to get a push above par and we're going to get one more high in US dollar yen, but I'm looking for a top here. Maybe comes in about par 30, par 50, so there could still be another 100 points in the Dixie up here. And that would be drive one, drive two, and drive three. Hi, JJs. How are you? Everyone doing okay? Zavi, welcome. Everyone welcome. Drifter is in the house. Everyone welcome Forex Pipper. How about Alar? Welcome for Forex Pipper. Today for our guest, I have Stephan Guifoyle. His Twitter handle is at Sarge986. I'll be talking to Sarge directly from the floor of the NYSE today. Everyone welcome Forex Pipper to our community. Make them feel at home. Zabi, I believe you've been here before. Nick, hi Fame. No Hair, how are you? Drifter is a new handle if you're still here, Drifter. Hi Khalid. Nice to meet you. Welcome, JJ. Is this your first day here, JJ? I don't think so. Everyone doing all right? What are you thinking here, Borgia? Goldie? One more break in Euro? Forex Stop Hunter, what are you thinking? Pretty neutral right here. So guys, does anyone know what this means in email talk? Anyone know what that means? You know, like GM and talk to you later. Anyone know what TTYN means? Okay, Jay. Any guesses on TTYN? Fame, you know what it means. Jax, you know what it means. Borgia, any guesses? Oh, okay. Well, you've been listening for 20 months. You've been lurking in the shadows? There's Zabi. Okay, Zabi thinks it could hold here. Could be. Or we could go the BRO here. We could go the big round number. But interesting, we had another low here. Thank you, Zabi. Everyone thanks Zabi for their look at Euro Pound, showing an up channel. Thank you, Zabi. I'm in your camp, Borgia. I think it's Wednesday. I think maybe it's going to be doesn't the ECB have a meeting? Is there an ECB meeting? Everyone thanks Zabi for that look. So this is what we do in LAR. We share our opinions through the language of pictures. Does anyone know what TTYN means? It means talk to you never. Talk to you never. Okay. Well, thank you for your loyalty. Thank you for your loyalty. So TTYN is daily silver. Okay. Yeah, we're close, buddy. 2 touches. Yeah. One more. Or we could just take out the stops too, you know. Real nice look, Jax. I want to thank Jax for his look on silver. Thank you, Jax. So we'll use the magic words in here when people share their word, please and thank you. And you're welcome. I learned those words from Captain Kangaroo. So those are my views. I expect to be active in the markets midweek. If you want to trade into it, I think the dollar has one more push up. So pick your poison. Something with a bullish dollar bias into midweek. Maybe it could be as soon, 2 touches, so maybe one more. Oh, and gold. Okay, so maybe the minutes. Maybe the minutes do it. Okay. So there's a confluence of events here from midweek to the end of the week. Remember, don't expect perfection at the craps table. Thank you, Jax. Thank you, Zabi. Hi, Khalid. How are you? What's up, buddy? What are you thinking? I still think gold has 1050 in it. I don't think the gold's bottom. Maybe I'm talking my book because I'm not long yet. But I'm thinking that we break down under 1085 and that we could trade 1060. Still looking for the third drive down in the gold down here. Could happen this week. That's a weekly. That's a daily. I have some third drive lines coming in here. That's all the way down to 1020. There's the 4 hour. There you go. So here's 1, 2, maybe something like this, huh? One more. We did diverge here. I'd like to see one more divergence and the RSI stay above 30. Everyone see this possible third drive here? Would take it here. Here's 1, confirm low. Here's 2, a divergence. And I'd like to see one more. That's my guess. Hello, John. How are you, Nick? David FX, how's it going? No hair. You enjoy it in here? Okay, guys, let's go to work. So I still think there's one more hit left in gold. Peter Goodburn talked about 1052. I think he was one of the more interesting interviews I've done in a long time. If you didn't see that interview, go back and find it for your own good, for your own edification. So I'm expecting a failing rally in the S&Ps, a new high in the dollar, one more washout in gold. That's the jigsaw puzzle that I'm playing right here. Failing rally in the S&Ps, a new high in the Dixie, and one more washout in gold. No, we had it last night. But there'll always be headline risk, David. But I think the markets want to fulfill exactly what I said. That my best guess is one more push up in the dollar, new highs in the dollar above par, a failing rally in the S&Ps, get some kind of bounce towards at least 2060, and one more low in the gold down here. So that's what I think. But this community is not about what I think. It's about what everyone thinks. Right? How about an amen on that? Thank God it's not about what I think all the time. Amen? Amen. Amen for me. I'm sure glad I don't have to provide all the ideas, but I provided quite a few in the first 18 minutes. Now it's your turn. We got a chart so far from Zabi and Jax. So let's go, guys. This is collaborative. Perhaps Aussie yen may finally get back to the breakdown this week. Maybe we finally get to 89.20 or so. Back to the breakdown. Some people are looking for 91. That'd be 61.8 back, halfway back, 89.5. Back to the breakdown. Hello, Yohei, are you in here? Hi, Ziggy, how are you? Yeah, you're grateful you don't have to just listen to my ideas, huh? You're getting that message? Wow. You see that, Adinda? Please forward that message to Mauricio and to the team. Okay, Adinda? So people are having trouble getting in. Can you please pass it on to the team so they could try and correct it? I'll paste it for you. Or you will tell them, thank you. Thank you. No, it shouldn't be that way. Thanks for your persistence, Zig. I was wondering why it was so quiet in here today. Roll Aussie. Gold's trying to hold the gap. We're filling the gap in the gold here. So far, it's just a gap fill in the gold. Guppy's got to be setting something up here pretty soon. I think this is going to be a good short in the middle of the week. Something interesting developing in CAD right here. We have a third drive to the top in USD CAD. See this? I don't know if it's going to try and blow through that level, but so far we do have a three drive to a top formation working in USD CAD right here. Everyone see this? Here's drive 1, confirmed high. Here's drive 2, diverging. And here's drive 3, diverging. So if Canada fails from here, we might have a nice top there. Let's see what you have, Dave. Looking for a bounce. And then 107. Huh. Your guess is it's as good of a call as mine. 660. Because I think we have to take the stops out here. What's this right here? David, what's this? Look for that level. Everyone thank David FX. Everyone see the Canadian? Everyone thank David FX for his roadmap on Euro. And does everyone see the third drive here? You don't have to agree with it, but it is a formation that's developing. Sometimes we accelerate through the wedge line, and I wouldn't do it because I'm still looking for higher numbers in the dollar. So what we could do is maybe close above the wedge line, and then next time back inside the channel, you got something. Give me a Y if you see the USD CAD formation. I'm not recommending the short. I'm just pointing it out to you so you see what I see. Everyone see what I see in USD CAD? Okay. It's going there or 590 is my bet. Yes, he did. Everyone doing all right? Hello, Alexei. $33.95 and what? I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, in the Canada. Yeah, I think you're right. I'm not saying this is the top. In fact, yeah, I thought 33.80. I had some kind of parabolic there on the weekly. 385. We're getting close. $33.90 is 88.6 back. 33.91 is 88.6. Hello, Ali. And that would probably coincide with the bottom in crude oil. Maybe we get a low in crude. Anyway, I agree with you. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty good ideas floating around today now. Lara's working. Hello, Fab. How have you been? Mathia, welcome back. Everyone doing okay? How are you, Ricardo? What's happening, buddy? We get a failing rally coming up here in the S&Ps, Ricardo. One more high in the end. Crude is beginning to diverge. I think Norm Winsky talked about the potential of a low in crude. think we have to hold this 40 level. We have an inside day. So maybe we get some kind of outside day tomorrow. Otherwise, we're going to 36 here. What if? But we could be beginning to diverge here. Canada's setting up this wedge up here. We have 3 drives so far. The view in the room is that we could push up to 385. But so far this line is holding, okay? So we know it's respecting this 3rd drive for now. Give me a Y if you see it. Not saying we can't take it out. Do some okay, that's for the chat. Okay. You see that, Adinda? So trying to get into the chat page. That was the issue. Thank you. So, you have a picture for us, Alexei? I'd say the down first. Down to 1.5. Thank you, David. Yeah. Maybe even down to 51 again. The weekly support. If the dollar really surges. Everyone thank David FX for his pound view, 1 hour. Oh, okay. So now that's the one. Everyone thank David FX. Okay. Here's Borges' view on the euro next couple days. This could take us into midweek. Okay. 106.10, 106.50, and finish it at 105.80. I like it. Everyone thank Borgia for his look. Thank you, Borgia. Nice look. Everyone thank Borgia. Thinks Borgia is a great addition to our community. Give me a Y. Here's my Y. How about David FX? I think David FX is a great addition to our community. You agree with me? Give me a Y. So Canada reversing a little bit off the 3rd drive. So it looks like we have a wedge setting up here. This will tie in with a crude bottom. In Canada would be a peak in Canada. We have a rising wedge in USD CAD. There's the picture. So I gave you guys the picture up here for the 3rd drive in Canada. Everyone doing okay? I think you are too, Goldie. Who thinks Goldie is a great addition to our community? So we have some new people contributing that are very good. The law of attraction, live examples. Thank you, Goldie. You're a great addition. Everyone doing okay? I'm going to take a quick 5-minute break. Feel free to continue to collaborate, share charts. My breaks are never real long. I'll be back within 5 minutes. Okay, everyone, and our guest today is Stephan Guifoyle, and Stephan is going to be live from the floor. His Twitter handle is @Sarge986. Looking forward to our interview with Stephan Guifoyle. He runs a desk for deep value on the NYSE floor. Okay, everyone, I'll be back in 5. Canada reversing. Thank you, Adinda. I'm back. Your channel sick? Nice look. Nice to have you with us, Avi. Thanks for sharing. Yeah. So this could take it to 34, but still not above these highs. I like this look. Getting this nice divergence with your stochastic. Oh, it's an ATR. I don't know how to use ATR, but I would assume above the pink line it's positive. Thank you, Zavi. Everyone thanks Zavi for his look on USD CAD. Some nice technical work there. Everyone thanks Zavi. I think Zavi is another new great addition to our community. Give me a Y. Here's mine. Okay. That was a great call last week. Ricardo nailed the S&Ps up here on the 2 last week. Covered Friday. Nice trade. So this is a 4 with a 5 at 1980. And then a bigger bounce. Okay, we'll see. Or 1950, 1920. Okay. Thank you, Rick. Nice S&P look by Rick. The continuation of a great forecast and trade from last week. Everyone thank Rick. Rick Picasso. Who thinks Rick is a great addition to our community? He's been a great addition the last 2 years. Give me a Y. I think Rick's a great addition. Who thinks Dale Pinkert is a great addition to this community? Everyone thank Dale and Ricardo for being great additions to LAR. Thank you, Dale. Everyone thank Rick and Zabi for their looks. Everyone thank them. I know Khalid caught the break in the S&Ps because of Rick's work last week. There's your update, Khalid. So we thank people when they contribute their work. Amen to thanking people when they contribute. Here's my amen. I really shouldn't have to tell people to thank others, don't you think? I mean, really, do I need to remind everyone to thank people? Maybe that's why, cities are getting blown up. There you go. Really shouldn't have to remind people to be civil and appreciative and grateful. I'm more concerned with others being appreciated than myself, but you're welcome, Ali. I'm more concerned with others, the members, being appreciated for sharing their work that they could probably charge people for, right? And they come in here and they give it away for free. So I really don't want to have to remind people to say thank you anymore. I'm giving it up. Don't make me crabby. You know what happens when I get crabby. Euro still looks heavy to me. Hi, Sarah. How are you, buddy? So this will take Euro pound down one more time to the 69.90 range. Yen should still have one more lift to clean out stops here. I still want to see these highs taken out in the yen right up here. We will diverge at new highs in the yen. There'll be a nice 4-hour non-confirmation above these highs. I'm thinking 380 to 24, so another 80 to 100 pips. Okay, and maybe one day I could talk to you, Zabi. We could do an interview, and you could explain that to me and to everyone else, how you use ATR and all your other stuff. Are you game? I've interviewed other members before, Ricardo several times and Alien several times. Perhaps you'd be interested in sharing your work with an interview in one of our opening hour sessions. Let me know. Is Lar helping you out, Sirik? Yeah. Is Lar adding value to your trading experience at FX Street, Sirik? Yes. Here come the S&Ps as forecasted. Okay. Thank you, David. So did the Beach Boys. You just let me know if you ever want a refund. Okay? If you ever want a refund, Sirik, let me know. I'll wire it to you. Okay. No pressure here, Zabi. No, but you could follow me on Twitter. You'll see who I follow. That's a good idea, David. That's a very good idea. Anyone want to do that? Compile a Twitter list of LAR members. It's a community effort, so if anyone in the community would like to do that, everyone who's in here, post your Twitter handles now, and David will put together a large Twitter list. Hi, Happy. How are you? Hi, Malcolm. Maybe you should close your account. Tough to trade when you're in a cash crunch. Who agrees with me? Who agrees with this? Tough to trade when you're in a cash crunch. Give me a Y if you agree with me. You're going to be more emotional about your trades because every pip matters. I'm fine, Mr. Happy. Thank you for asking. I've got the whole market cased. I know what's going to happen in advance. Always makes me feel good. Okay, Diego. Scared money, you're right. That's what I'm talking about. When you're strapped with cash, the market could bash your emotions every way. It'll be tough for you to stay when you're underwater. You would sell your daughter. Veteran, he's at work. His boss doesn't want him to be a jerk and trade while he's on the payroll. If you want to be a star, show your charts in LAR. If you need a new car, don't trade scared money in LAR, or you'll be taking Uber the rest of your life. Thank you for putting up with me, guys. Sir Veteran's at King Arthur's Castle today, Georgia. He's at the round table. Can anyone help JJ out? Veteran's at the round table. He's at the Knights with the round table today. With his steed. Nice channel. Nice look in the pound. $49.50 would be the next shot. High or low, maybe in here. Can anyone help him out on how to show his projections that uses this software? Thank you, JJ. Everyone doing okay? How's the gold doing? There goes the crude. There goes the gold. I bought the gold on Friday because I heard about the attack. But I sold it on Monday but I want to buy it back. I got stopped out on Monday, lost too much cash. Dale says don't count your pips, count your blessings. Be grateful for what you got. I think the dollar's gonna peak by Wednesday this week. So stay with me a little while. I think the dollar will peak right around midweek. So stick around and see if I am right in a fortnight. What a squiggly line, this squiggly, squiggly, squiggly kiwi. Here's the squiggly currency. Squiggle, 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 squiggle. Compressing the range, compression. Compression can cause depression if you're waiting for a market to move. So look at another pair that might fit your groove. Thank you, Rick. Ever hear that tune? Compression can cause depression because you're waiting for a move. So find another pair to trade that fits with your groove. Abel, how's that, man? I got the stopped out blues. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Obama's talking. He'll close the border in 10 minutes after an event like that too. Are closing borders and building walls to keep people out or keep people in? What do you guys think? Are walls and borders to keep people out or to keep people in? My vote is to keep people in. Don't trade liberty for safety. It's a bad trade. Bad trade. What's that? Biab. Biab what? Biab. What's that mean, JJ? Biab. Blob. So we're about 15 minutes from Stephan. Stand by for Stephan. It's going to be an interesting interview. Are you saying all I do is blah, blah, blah? All right, I'll be quiet for a while. You know what I mean. Liberty. Don't trade your freedom for safety. Don't give up your freedoms because someone's going to keep you safe. Yeah, I think it is. Oh, okay. Back in a bit. Okay, that's a new one. Yeah, it's a bad idea if you want to leave, or a bad idea if you want to get back in. Yeah, it's a bad idea if you have to sacrifice your freedom. Not a good trade. Just my opinion. And they go through, oh yeah, they walk through walls, huh? Zombies. You're the man, Rick. Rick made the best calls last week. Rick's the man. Congratulations, Rick. That's what I mean. That's the problem. That's Ricardo's 1 millionth man award. That's Ricardo's 1 millionth man award. Congratulations, Ricardo, on your 1 millionth man award. I don't know where you have room to store all your trophies. How are you today, Fame? Yeah. USD CAD blowing through it. So you got out of there. Sarah? Was it because of all the draconian stuff happening in Argentina? Is that why you left? Thank you, Abel. I don't know what kind of mood I'm in. I feel like doing battle, but I'm going to be patient and choose my battles. Yeah, Ricardo's still there. He's part of the oligarchy there. Ricardo's in the cabinet. What color money? What color money did they print this month, Rick? Any pink money this week? Pink bills, blue bills, green, orange bills. You have any orange bills? Yeah, Abel's from Barcelona. I'm moving to Barcelona. Abel, I'm moving to Barcelona, Abel. Tell FX Street. I'm going to work in the FX Street office and I'm moving to Barcelona and moving in with you and your wife. Is that okay, buddy? I'll only smoke outside. I promise I'll smoke outside, Abel. All right? I need a change. I got to get out of this crummy San Diego place. I need a change. Look, David did a Twitter list. Cool, David. Everyone thank David for his Twitter list. Okay. I eat everything. You know what you'll say to me after dinner, Sirik? Huh? You know what you're going to say to me after dinner? I'd rather clothe you than feed you, you'll say. Yeah, Abel's from Barcelona. Good idea, Happy. All right, so Canada blew through the wedge line a little bit here, and it's coming back off. We're still diverging. Still diverging. I think I have more friends in Barcelona than in San Diego. This Canada is going to be a great short this week, guys. This is going to be a big short, Canada. There's the whole world's bearish crude. All right, I think Stephan should be with us pretty soon. Stand by for our interview. Stand by for Stephan Guifoyle. I'll keep an eye out for Stephan. Stand by for our interview, everyone. What a great community we have. So there's not only great ideas in here, but we have fun too, don't we? Don't we also have fun in here together, guys, every day? We get to laugh, not only trade together, but laugh together. What a great combination. If you agree with me, give me a Y. That we not only trade together, but we laugh together. That's one of my favorite aspects of this, is that we also laugh together. Laughing's worth many, many pips. Sell in front of, catching falling knives. I like this look, Goldie. Is this you, Goldie? Very nice. Thank you, Goldie. Everyone thank Goldie. Oh, yeah, I said I wasn't going to remind everyone. I like it, Goldie. Thank you. You guys are going to promote LAR, the Twitter list. I need more tweets on Twitter. You guys need to tweet like Ziggy does and support our community. Ricardo sends a lot of his stuff on my stream. You guys could send stuff on my stream. Feel free to do it. We're getting a little red candle in USD CAD. Getting a little red candle. Jack, be nimble. Jack, be quick. Jump right over that candlestick. So the divergences will continue to build in USD CAD. Keep it on your radar screen. Amen to keeping a CAD top on your radar screen for this week. Here's mine. Amen to that short coming up. We'll see if Stephen's here yet. Yeah, I know. Did you send him the invite? Did you send him the link? Oh, he had no mic. Okay. Oh, well. Okay. So no interview. Okay, guys, no interview. That's disappointing. How about using LAR? How about hashtag LAR, David? How about this? Or how about, if we have other LARs going on, how about this? Use this. Use that. Use that. The third one. What do you think? Since there is other programming, you know. Thank you, David. Yeah, LAR. That's what this is. Weber will be here. Yeah, I will. He's on vacation. He's on vacation. But make sure it's Mylar. How about Dale and Lar? All right, here. Here, this is it. Lions Lar. That's a good one, Tico. I like that. The Lion's Lair, because they have lairs. You're right. I like that, Ricardo. Beautiful. That's a beauty. It does equal that too, doesn't it? If you agree with Ricardo's math, give me a Y. I agree with your equation, Ricardo. Great equation. You can't have one without the other anyway, can you? You can't have one without the other. Lions Lar. Okay. Whatever you want to do. Yeah, do that. I like that. Go with Tico's. Lions Lar. Capital letters. Go with capital. Go with capital. Do this. Like that. How about that, David? You guys like that one? Hashtag Lions Lar. All right. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, guys. Anyone use, you like that? Yeah, it's a good one. You have to be a lion. That's right. With my pride. Good one, JJ. Good tagline. All right. Yeah, okay. Go with that one. All right, go with that one. Pretty ugly candle in the euro here. Everyone doing okay? So my chat page isn't working great. It only shows about 7 of you guys in here. 8 now. That's a good one. Okay, everyone likes that one, David. There you go. Tico's there. Great idea today, David. See how we mastermind and come up with these ideas as a community? Cool. Okay, oh yeah, I don't. I only show 9. There's Sir Vedran. I thought you were at King Arthur's round table today. People were asking about you, Ved. Get Vedran on the list. Vedran's on Twitter. Yeah, the cat. That's what I'm talking about. I agree with you, Goldie. Nice 3 driver. So maybe we get one more. Sometimes within the third, you could have 3. You could have 3 on the last drive. You could have a couple more attempts up here. Thank you, Goldie. Beautiful look. Everyone thank Goldie. Yeah, great idea. Everyone thank Goldie. Nice Canada look. Well, he's seeing what I'm seeing here in a third drive pattern up here. What is his Addy? Vedran, what's your give David FX your Twitter handle. You took that one, Tico? Yeah, we got a case, guys. We have it cased. Yeah, Tico's got it. Tico's in. Knew Tico would see it. Thank you, Tico. Where's the stop? He's looking for 100 pips here. Everyone thank Tico. He's already in the trade. However, all you guys that are on this list, this Twitter list, if you could tweet your impressions of LAR, David, if you could, tweet how Lara is helping you. There's veterans. If you guys could start talking about LAR on Twitter or sharing your charts on Twitter, it'll attract more people. There's nothing wrong with an honest testimonial about LAR being on Twitter. So if you guys have anything good or bad to say about it, feel free to tweet it. Yeah. Well, the Pope said that before the president of France, Holland. Thank you. So if you guys are willing that are on Twitter to be a little bit more vocal about your experience in LAR, who's willing to do that? Tweet it in my stream at Forex Stop Hunter. What LAR does for you, what you like about LAR. Who's going to tweet in my stream what they like about LAR? Give me a Y if you plan on doing it. Malcolm's done it. Add Malcolm. So you guys could start today. Maybe it's too much to ask, huh? Is it too much to ask? Hi, Russ. Cool. Thank you, David. I know that Alien does a lot, and Ricardo does a lot, and Juan does quite a bit, and there's some other people that don't even come into LAR that post charts in my stream. This is LAR. Everyone welcome Russ. Russ in here. Yeah. We share our ideas with screenshots. This community is not about me, it's about everyone. So we collaborate in here together. If you don't have any, consider getting some screenshot software and sharing your charts, because a picture speaks 1,000 words. So how about a LAR welcome for Russ? Here's veterans look on the euro. 106.30. Sir Veteran's looking for. Thank you, veteran. Sir Veteran, thank you. So I thought you were at King Arthur's round table today. Sir Veteran. Thank you, Abel. All right, we're diverging in the crude oil right here. So this ties in with the Canadian potential top in Canada. We have divergence developing here in the crude oil. Check it out. So far we have a couple drives right here in the crude. Right. So this ties into a potential top here eventually. Bottom here, top here. Everyone see the correlation? Potential bottom here, I don't think it's yet. 105.80. How did I guess? Yeah, 105.90. Okay. I agree. See, I knew before I even looked. I knew before I looked. Thank you, Rick. I think it'll do that if the dollar is going above 100. Got to hold right here. Nice look, Rick. As usual. Another great look from Ricardo Dinger. Everyone thank Rick, who won his 1 millionth man award today. Yeah, I think so too. Well, we're talking about 10 pips. Thank you, Rick. Won his millionth man award today. Nice Kiwi look. Euro Aussie grinding something out here. You mean at $37? Can I see your chart, Planet? Uh-oh, there goes my guitar. So a new low? A new low? That's still a higher low. No. So back at the double bottom? Because this was 37, right? Use less leverage when you trade the markets. Use wider stops so you don't get picked off. Use less leverage or you might lose your head and your account will be dead. Use less leverage, use less leverage, use less leverage. That song is climbing on the charts with a bullet. It's climbing on the charts with a bullet. Use Less Leverage by Dale Pinkert and Ricardo Dinger. We're like Lennon and McCartney, Ricardo. We're like Lennon and McCartney, buddy. I think it's going platinum. Use Less Leverage, going platinum. Whoever wants a copy, a CD of Use Less Leverage, give me a Y. You'd like a CD mailed to you? With me playing my guitar in my bathrobe without a shave. Everyone doing all right? Sir Vedran's duppy look. Thinks we're close to a top here. Maybe. You might be right. Thank you, Sir Vedran. Vedran looking for a push down here in the guppy. I brainwashed you, Goldie. Yeah. Can't get it out of your head. I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Goldie. What a terrible thing to have echoing in your mind, huh? So you go around during the day humming the song, use less leverage when I oh, you're in the grocery store. Or you're in bed with your wife or girlfriend and you hear the song. Oh. I'm very sorry, Goldie. All right, Dave's going to be playing with plombiers this afternoon. Whatever, whatever the heck plombiers are. I've I've never played with a plombier, David. Sounds like fun. Sounds like a great time, David. Boy, are you addicted. Boy, are you a junkie. Who else is going to play with plombiers today? Yeah. Let me guess, veteran, 2385. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your forgiveness. I will not trespass against you with any more music. I promise. 2385, veteran, before I click it. Oh, higher, 2430. All right. I'm thinking 24, 2380. You could be right. Thank you, Ved. Sir Ved. Thank you, Sir Ved. I know. I'm just kidding. It just sounds funny. S&Ps are rallying pretty good. Everyone doing all right? Who's had fun today? Who made money and had fun? Give me a Y. I didn't make any money, but I had fun. So there's my Y for fun, hanging out with you guys today. Anyone else enjoy themselves here in LAR today? Besides all the compelling, useful information and charts? If you laughed with me today, give me a Y. If I brought a smile to your face, give me a Y. Wow, that's a pretty bearish outlook. That would support the euro pound. Thank you, Sir Ved. Nice look in the pound. That's a long talked about target, 147 in cable. Thank you, Ved. Naga, Ved. Good. Because laughter is a tonic. It's a tonic. It's healthy. Sometimes we take ourselves too seriously, you know, and trading too seriously. It's what we do. You made 20 bucks 7 hours ago? Okay, Russ. I'll meet you at McDonald's in 20 minutes. Because that's what it costs for a fast food meal now. I'll meet you at Big Mac's. It's better than losing 20. Better than losing 20. That is still bearish Aussie. That lines up with another low in gold coming. Still think I'll get one. 68. Back to the previous low. Thank you, Ved. Okay. And here's JJ. Jay found out how to put his, oh, that's Jay's earlier look in the pound. That shows kind of the same targets down here. One of them. Okay. 48. Thank you, JJ. Thank you, veteran. Pound Kiwi from Ricardo. Looks like we should go this channel line, Rick. 237 up here. 1, 2, 3 up here, maybe, huh? Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Ved. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, everyone. Here comes a dollar. Dollar's fading. Canada fading. Not yet. There's a pound again. How about this for the pound, guys? How about this for the pound? Just in case there's a little more weakness in the pound. What do you think of this in the pound? One more shot up towards 52. 52.60 for a third drive. What do you think of this? 152.80. Here's drive 1. Here's drive 2. And this would be the third up here. What do you guys think of that? Possibility? Okay, Rick, I agree. That should happen with this recovery in the S&Ps. Also be looking for a move in Aussie yen back to 89.20. Yeah, should get above there. So that would kind of make sense with what I was just pointing out in the pound. Thank you, Rick. Everyone, thanks, Rick. Okay, everyone. This is going to be my wrap up. So the market is trying to sort through the attacks in Paris. We came in sharply lower in the S&Ps and recovered. I'm anticipating a failing rally, maybe back to 2060, 2070 into midweek, 17th, 18th for a potential peak. And with that, I'm expecting the dollar to make one more new high. So a failing rally in S&Ps and a new high in the Dixie, looking for it to push over the par level. Here's your dollar. Not that far away, so I'm looking for maybe another 100 points up in the Dixie when it comes to our individual instruments in the euro. Still thinking in euro we could get a third drive down here. It's coming in around 106.20 to 105, still looking for one more high up here in the yen into that time frame. Euro pound could break one more time into this big round number of 70, maybe 69.90. Looking for potentially a reversal week to the upside, and CAD is also beginning to diverge with a three drive formation that it's blowing through right now, but anticipating some type of top around 134, 133.80. CAD actually acting stronger than yen. Yen's going to be the preferred short because of how it's weakening. And also the potential of a third drive to a top in the cable that could take us up to 52.60 and set up shorts in the guppy. And Alien's taking a day off, and Mauricio's in Japan. And we'll wrap it up with Tico's look. The Aussie Kiwi 4 hour. We have some divergence happening here. Tico's taking a short. So with that, I want to thank everyone for all of their great contributions today. Thank Ricardo for winning his 1 millionth man award, for all the great contributions that we had today from Tico and Veteran and David. And I'm sorry if I miss anyone here. Planet, Happy, Malcolm, Cyric, Veteran. So thank you, Ricardo, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be with you guys tomorrow. And, you know, when you think about what can happen in a heartbeat, like what happened in France, again, I remind everyone to not just count their pips, but count their blessings and be grateful for what you have. Happiness is wanting what you have instead of having what you want. So I'll see everyone tomorrow, and I'm very happy to have this community to collaborate, hang out with, and interact with every day. So I count Lara as my blessing. I appreciate any support you guys are willing to give on Twitter through the stream at my handle, Forex Stop Hunter. And someone tweeted me about some Forex firm going out of business and not being able to get his money out. I think it was Iron FX or something. So You may want to consider establishing an account with our sponsor, FX Pro. I've never heard anything like that happen with FX Pro. In fact, they survived the Swiss on peg fairly unscathed. So one way to say thank you to me, to FX Street, and Lara is to establish an account with our sponsor. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. Good hunting the rest of the day. Thanks again for all the great contributions, my friends. You're welcome, Russ. Nice to meet you. You're welcome, Ved. You're welcome, Borja. You're welcome, David. See everyone tomorrow. Good hunting. Adios.